Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious complete dinner. So these are the ingredients. You're going to be needing some beef, some rosemary, meat seasoning, extra virgin of olive oil, salt. You can use black pepper as well if you want. Okay, and here is my potatoes. Out of these 5 potatoes, I'm going to be using 3 potatoes. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you the sauce later, how to prepare this sauce, the marinated sauce later. So the potatoes are well cleaned, like I've washed them, the back of the potatoes. So right now I'm going to slice them because I'm going to be baking these potatoes in the oven. I'm not going to be frying. But if you don't have oven, please go ahead and fry, or you can boil the potatoes as well. Okay, it's just your choice. So after slicing the potatoes, I'm going to be using 2 methods here. As you can see, I added them into the bowl and I'm covering them with my cling film. This, I'm going to pump that potato into my microwave for 5 minutes. This helps to reduce the time of cooking in the oven. But if you don't have microwave or you want to bake, go ahead and do that. Okay, it's just optional, but it helps to get the potato halfway cooked before oven. So here is after 5 minutes, guys. Now I'm going to add the potatoes into my casserole. So at this point, I'm going to be adding extra virgin of olive oil. Just drizzle a little oil around the potatoes. Please do not add salt at this point, at this moment. Okay, I'm going to be seasoning that. After mixing them, I'm going to add rosemary, because rosemary gives your baked potato a very nice taste. So you might want to try it if you haven't tried them before. Okay, so after adding the rosemary is when I'm going to put them in the oven and allow them to bake or to cook. My oven is already preheated and I'm going to bake that until the potatoes are crispy. Okay, so while the potato is cooking, I waited for the potato to be almost cooked before seasoning the meat, or you can pre-season the meat and allow them to sit. Okay, so I'm using my meat seasoning. You can use any meat seasoning of your choice. Okay, I'm going to season both sides with meat seasoning and a little bit of salt. So after that, I'm going to throw in some sliced garlic. Garlic and rosemary gives your beef there is this unique taste it gives to your beef. Okay, so if you haven't tried before, give it a try. So over the heat, I place my grill pan over the heat. This is optional, guys. I love to drizzle a little bit of olive oil before adding the beef, but you can add the beef directly into the pan. Okay, it's just your choice. So I'm going to grill both sides of the beef, and it also depends on the size of the beef you're grilling. Mine is a little bit thick, so it's going to take a little bit time because my husband preferred cooked beef, like well cooked, not halfway. And it depends on how you love yours. If you're the type that love eating half done beef, just cook yours the way you want it. Okay, so as you can see, I'm flipping mine over to allow them to cook. So I'm going to allow that to continue cooking, and here is the time to prepare the marinating sauce. So that is basmon, vinegar and extra virgin of olive oil, and that is rosemary and some garlic, The salt is totally optional, okay, because the meat has salt already, so you don't even have to add salt into the marinating sauce. So go ahead and mix them until they are well combined. This sauce, you're going to add the meat when the moment they come out of the grill. You're going to put the meat into the sauce, flip them over after 2 minutes. So this is my rucola, the salad I'm going to be using, and the potatoes are out of the oven. As you can see the color of that potato. So that's spicy I'm holding in my hand is all lemon zest, salt, black pepper and rosemary. Like I blend everything together. Just use them to marinate your potatoes. It gives them a very nice flavor. Like it takes them to the next level, guys. So after I'm done with the potato, the meat is well cooked. I'm adding the meat into my sauce. So I'm going to allow each side to stay for about 2.5 minutes. Then I will flip them over for them to get that as vinegar taste and rosemary and the garlic. You're going to love this. So this is after 4 minutes or so. I'm slicing the meat. This is how my husband loved the meat. He just loved the beef to be well cooked, okay, but like I said earlier, you can cook yours halfway. So go ahead and slice it. Look at that pinkish color. My god, this tasted so good, like so good, guys. You need to give it a try, especially in a special occasion. You just want to prepare dinner at home, especially now Valentine is coming up. Just make the dinner for your husband. He will appreciate it so much. This will take care. Oh my god, I don't know, but this, you need to give it a try because you won't understand, like as I'm saying it here. So please give this a try. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Trust me, your husband, your love, your friend, your brother, your father, they are going to love this. All right guys, see you guys later. Bye.